Good day, artists. This is how we start a one-point interior perspective, okay? We are going to start out with a rectangle or a square somewhere right around the middle of the paper. We want to leave enough room for there to be walls, a ceiling, and a floor. So we're going to start out. We want to try to make our lines for our rectangle as parallel as we can with the tops and the sides of the paper. So very, very lightly, I'm going to line up my ruler and I'm going to hold it with my finger spread so that the ruler doesn't move. I'm going to scoop my fingers up the pencil. I'm going to pick my hand up off the table and very lightly, I'm going to make myself a line, right? I'm going to do the same thing over here. Let's see, line it up, make myself a line. Now, I'm going to turn my paper because that makes it easier. I don't need to leave quite as much room at the top of the paper for the ceiling as I do for the bottom of the paper for the floor. So, let's see. Okay. I'm just going to make that one a little darker, and then I'm going to erase the lines that I don't need. Now is the point where we figure out where we want to put our vanishing point, because the vanishing point represents our sight line, okay, our viewpoint. If we put it near the bottom, that's going to look as if we are perhaps sitting in a chair. The lower we go, the lower our eyesight is, our eye line. So if I'm sitting on the floor, it's going to be way down here, in a chair, maybe standing on a ladder. So, you know, doesn't matter where you put it, but you just kind of need to figure out where your viewpoint is coming from. So I think I'm going to put mine as if I'm sitting in a chair, and I'm not going to put it right smack in the middle, which you could, but I'm going to put it maybe slightly, I'm going to put it right here. So there's my vanishing point. Now we may be used to making a room by drawing ourselves a square and then making the lines just go to the corners of the paper. Okay, you know, just like right to the corner. But in this method, oh, for heaven's sakes, for this method, we are going to be doing what we've been doing, which is lining up our vanishing point with the corner of our rectangle. Now, we do not need to draw a line from here to here. We're going to start at the corner and we're going to come off the paper. Wherever it comes off the paper, that's where it ends. Okay, so put your pencil on the vanishing point, line it up with the corner, draw your line. That is the right-hand wall. This will be the ceiling, that will be the floor. I'm going to turn my paper, line it up, start from the corner and off the edge of the page. Okay, from the vanishing point to the corner, right here, from the corner, off the side of the page. And there is our room.